Welcome to Countdown Cash, where we talk about all things finance and help shape the young millionaires of the future. Today, we'll be going over the top 10 investments rich people make that poor people know nothing about. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to learn about the investments that can help you build wealth, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover the top 10 investments that rich people make and explain how you can get started with each one. Number 1. Private equity. Private equity is a type of investment where investors pool their money together to buy a stake in a private company. Private companies are not publicly traded, which means that their stock is not available for purchase on the stock market. Private equity investments are usually reserved for accredited investors, which are individuals or institutions that meet certain financial requirements. Investing in private equity can be risky, but it can also be very profitable. Private equity firms often buy struggling companies, turn them around, and sell them for a profit. If you're interested in private equity, you can invest in a private equity fund or look for opportunities to invest directly in companies. It's important to do your research and work with reputable firms before investing in private equity. Number 2. Angel investing. Angel investing is similar to private equity, but it's focused on early-stage startups. Angel investors provide funding to startups in exchange for equity. Startups are companies that are just getting started and are often in the process of developing a new product or service. Angel investing can be risky, but it can also be very rewarding. If you invest in a successful startup, you can earn a high return on your investment. However, most startups fail, so it's important to do your research and invest in companies that have a strong business plan and experienced management team. If you're interested in angel investing, you can look for opportunities on platforms like AngelList or reach out to startup founders directly. Number 3. Real estate investment trusts. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are companies that own and operate income-generating real estate. When you invest in a REIT, you're essentially buying a share of the company's real estate portfolio. REITs can invest in a variety of properties, such as apartment buildings, office buildings, and shopping centers. Investing in REITs can be a great way to earn passive income and benefit from the appreciation of real estate. REITs are required by law to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders, which means that investors can earn a steady stream of income from their investment. If you're interested in investing in REITs, you can buy shares on the stock market or invest in a REIT mutual fund or exchange-traded fund. Number 4. Art and collectibles. Art and collectibles can be a great investment for those who have a passion for them. These investments can appreciate in value over time and can be a great way to diversify your portfolio. Art and collectibles can include anything from paintings and sculptures to rare coins and stamps. Investing in art and collectibles requires a lot of research and expertise. It's important to work with a reputable dealer and educate yourself on the market before making any purchases. You should also consider the costs of storing and insuring your collection. If you're interested in investing in art and collectibles, you can start by attending auctions or working with a reputable dealer. Number 5. Hedge funds. Hedge funds are investment funds that use advanced strategies to generate high returns. These funds are usually only available to accredited investors, which means that they are not available to the general public. Hedge funds can invest in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and commodities. Investing in hedge funds can be very risky, but it can also be very rewarding. Hedge funds can use leverage, which means that they can borrow money to increase their returns. However, leverage can also increase the risk of the investment. It's important to do your research and work with reputable firms before investing in hedge funds. Number 6. Venture capital. Venture capital is a type of investment where investors provide funding to early-stage startups in exchange for equity. Venture capital firms often invest in companies that are developing new technologies or products. Venture capital investments can be very risky, but they can also be very profitable. If you invest in a successful startup, you can earn a high return on your investment. However, most startups fail, so it's important to do your research and invest in companies that have a strong business plan and experienced management team. If you're interested in venture capital, you can look for opportunities on platforms like AngelList or reach out to venture capital firms directly. Number 7. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have become increasingly popular in recent years. These digital assets can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and benefit from the growth of blockchain technology. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be very volatile, so it's important to do your research before investing. Cryptocurrencies are not backed by any government or financial institution, which means that their value can fluctuate rapidly. It's also important to store your cryptocurrencies securely and protect yourself from fraud. If you're interested in investing in cryptocurrencies, you can buy them on a cryptocurrency exchange or invest in a cryptocurrency mutual fund or exchange traded fund. Number 8. Farmland. Investing in farmland can be a great way to earn passive income and benefit from the appreciation of agricultural land. Farmland can be leased to farmers or used for agricultural production. Investing in farmland requires a lot of research and expertise. It's important to work with a reputable farmland investment firm and educate yourself on the market before making any purchases. You should also consider the costs of maintaining and managing the land. If you're interested in investing in farmland, you can look for opportunities on platforms like Farm Together or work with a reputable farmland investment firm. Number 9. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a type of investment where investors provide funding to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers with investors and charge a fee for the service. Investing in peer-to-peer lending can be a great way to earn passive income and diversify your portfolio. However, it's important to do your research and invest in loans that have a low risk of default. If you're interested in peer-to-peer lending, you can look for opportunities on platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. Number 10. Life settlements. Life settlements are investments where investors purchase life insurance policies from policyholders. When the policyholder passes away, the investor receives a payout from the insurance company. Investing in life settlements can be very risky, as the life expectancy of the policyholder is uncertain. It's important to work with a reputable firm and do your research before investing in life settlements. Life settlements are also not available in all states. And that's it for our top 10 investments that rich people make that poor people know nothing about. We hope this video has been informative and has given you some ideas for how you can start building wealth. Remember, investing can be risky, so it's important to do your research and work with reputable firms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.